Today, we're going to uncover the single most powerful tool for building wealth. You ready for this? All right, let's kick things off with a little puzzle. Imagine you only invest for 10 years. Could you possibly end up richer than someone who invests for 35 years straight? It sounds totally nuts, but the answer is yes. And the secret is a force called compounding. So what is it? Simply put, compounding is when your money starts making its own money. The easiest way to picture it is a snowball. It starts small, but it grows bigger and faster. Which brings us to the most important rule of all. Starting early is way more important than starting big.
Let's make this real. Meet Sarah and Tom. Just pay attention to their starting ages.
Tom invested way more money for way longer, so who do you think comes out on top? By retirement, Tom has a pretty cool $900,000. Not bad, right? But remember Sarah? She stopped way back at age 30. This is where it gets crazy. She ends up with over $1 million. She invested less, but she started earlier. How on earth is that possible? Because this kind of growth isn't a straight line. It explodes. See, in the beginning, it feels painfully slow. And this is where most people just give up. I mean, just look at Warren Buffett. Get this. Over 99% of his fortune was earned after age 50. So yeah, he's a great investor. But his real secret? He stayed in the game for decades. So what's the actual lesson here for you? The strategy is actually pretty simple. It's all about consistency. Small, regular habits are way more powerful than one big move. You might feel like you've missed the boat, but the best time to start was yesterday. The next best, today. The clock is ticking. So, are you going to let time work for you or against you?